Good morning, student. Welcome to social science class. Okay, students, in the previous class, we have already started the chapter number 7 of civics. So today we will continue with the same chapter. Okay, the next topic is brand values and social work. The first important thing that advertisement play an important role in social and cultural life of a person. The first that is branded products. Okay, branded products are basically they are very costly. Why they are costly? Because of their packing, you can say, or you can say their style or design or the cost of advertising. That is why the branded products are very costly. In your book they have given an example to explain why the branded products are costly. One, they have given the example of a dal. Basically, there are two different types of dal. One is the branded dal and the second one is the common local dal. The branded dal was packed in a beautiful packaging was very beautiful, and it is clear and it is very good looking packing, and the cost of advertisement is very high as compared to the local dal. Local dal was not packed in a proper way, and to show that the advertisement that is shown for the branded product, that is the branded dal, attract the people, they show that if they eat that dal in their daily meal they will be healthy. So the local company is not showing that type of advertisement to the people. So the people thought will start thinking that the branded dal is more effective, will be good for their health. Okay, that is the main effect of branded product. Everyone feels that the branded products are the more effective products. Second one, advertisement appeal to personal emotion of the people, which induce people to buy the product. It means next they show that some of the products are very attached to the emotion of the people. Why? Okay, this was also described by an example in your book. The example that there is a soap of the children's soap. Okay, what was the ad? One ad is showing that this soap is very good for their babies. So every mother will be interested to buy that product because they know it, that every mother loves their children and they always buy the product that is suitable for their child. So that is the motion, personal emotion of the mother they have taken. So these types of advertisements are built. That is the main purpose, to attract the people. Either it can be social or it can be cultural or it can be emotional. That is the main purpose of advertisement. Okay, the next topic is other way of promoting products. The other way that is targeting people is by promoting the product by showing cricketers or the film star, okay, in the advertisement, or show us the images of the rich people, keeping us away from the real life situation. Okay, by seeing all these advertisement, the people basically, this make people feel tempting to buy these product, because all these people, or the cricketer, the film star, or the rich people, basically they are the hero for that peoples, that tell us that they are worth buying. Means these people says that their product, that is the product that is showing in the advertisement is worth buying. So people start, they got influence, they are very attached to that person, so they start buying that product. Okay, so that is the main aim of that advertisement. Okay, the next thing we are came to know, or now we will discuss, that how does a advertisement get made. Okay, now we are in the before we were talking about what is the main purpose, why they made advertisement, what is the main purpose of that advertisement. Now we will understand how these advertisements are made. Advertising plays an important role in making a brand name. Means if there is an advertisement, it means that will be a new product in the market. Okay, making an advertisement is not a simple task. It is very difficult task to make an advertisement. Making an advertisement involves a high cost, means it involves good amount of money. Advertising is normally made by advertising agencies. Basically, there are different alag type ki companies is over there who take the responsibility of making the advertisement, which help in devising a marketing strategy. Means many peoples are involved while making the advertisement. Campaigning, the first started. What is the first step in the process of making a advertisement is campaigning. Campaigning is done carefully by the company. Okay, these are the agencies to promote their product. Okay. Okay, the next topic is advertising and democracy. Advertising a product cost a lot of money. That is why manufacturers are not able to compete in the market or able to compete in the competition. As you all of you know that democracy is based on equality, that we all of you know. As the citizen, or you can say that it make us believe that things that are packed, okay, and have a brand name are far better than things that are not came into packet. That is the mind, that is in the mind of the people. Now, democracy is based on equality. It means that all the products are equal or they should be treated equally. But what is the main reason? As a citizen of, or being a citizen of a democratic country, people should understand that they can take a better decision whether they wish to buy a product or not. But by showing or seeing these type advertisement, okay, the people get confused. They get confused. Why they get confused? Or you can say they confuse the customers and influence the thinking. So that is the main reason. So this bond or this link should be finished, means all the products should be equally treated. Okay. Okay, now we will understand that what is the effect of advertising on small businessmen, on their life. The first thing is that by they sell their product. Okay, as in the previous we have understood that by in the process of advertisement a lot of money is spent, but the small businessmen, they don't have that much of money, so they sell their product in weekly or in neighborhood shops. The products are not considered as fashionable as branded product. Okay, they can say hence they these products are not considered as a fashionable, that we have understood. This makes people accepted that the packaged product is much better than the unpackaged product. So that we have one more point we have already discussed, that in a democratic country we live equally. Everyone have the right to equal. It means that it should be remembered that equality of the product has very little do with the packaging, but it negatively affect the sale of various product, small business, forcing people out of their livelihood. Why? Because they don't have the money. They cannot afford the cost of advertisement to show their product on TV, on radio, newspaper, magazine. They don't have the money. So they were forcefully, or they sell their product in weekly or the neighborhood shops. Okay, the next thing we are going to say, that the democratic society is one which treats people equally and where people live with dignity, with but what is the main but advertisement promote lack of respect of the poor. We never have seen the poor people in the advertisement. They never promote the life over poor people. And we start thinking that poor peoples have no right to live in the society. They cannot afford the product that is being shown on the television, on the newspaper. Many people feel bad that they cannot afford certain brand which claim personal emotion while advertisement. Okay, that is the main. Okay, in the end we will talk about the conclusion. Okay, advertising make us forget about the key issue of a democracy, such as poverty, discrimination and the dignity, by focusing on lives of rich and famous people. Second thing, we should critically understand the effect of advertisement on our life and learn to make better decision about what to buy and what not. Okay student, this is all for today. Have a nice day.